How to Make an 8-Petal Flower by Playapy. Hi, I'm Miss Amy, occupational therapist, and I'm here to play with you. Today we are going to make an 8-petal flower together. These flowers are considered rare, while flowers with 5 petals are common. Making this flower and giving it as a gift to someone lets them know that they are special. So, let's get started. It will take 8 steps and less than 5 minutes to complete. Before we begin, we will need some supplies to make our flower. These include 1 sheet of colored paper, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. If you don't have colored paper, you can use white paper and color it if you choose to with a crayon, marker, or paint when we are finished. You may also want to have a black marker ready to copy my design for steps 7 and 8. You may pause this video if you need more time in between the 8 steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Pick up the top right side of the paper and bring it towards the bottom left so you can form a right angle. Then, slide your finger along the folded edge to create the long side of the triangle. Step 2. Next, fold the large triangle in half, bringing the bottom half towards the top. Then fold it again for a third time. Step 3. Turn your paper to the right side. Be sure to hold the paper along the folded edge on the left side. Step 4. Starting at the middle of the left side or lower, start to draw little humps ending on the right side of the paper before you reach the bottom point. You should have 3 humps. Step 5. Next, slowly cut along your line. This may be challenging if your paper is thick, so take your time. Step 6. Gently open the flower 3 times until you see all 8 petals. Step 7. Now it's time to add some details. Draw a circle in the middle of your flower. You can be creative with the color you choose. You can draw lines inside the circle to help fill it in neatly. Step 8. Draw 3 lines on each petal near the center of the circle to add more detail to your design. You did it! You're all done and ready to share it with someone special. Great job making your 8-petal flower. Have a playful day! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. You can follow Playapy at playapy.com.